Hey guys, it's Danny the Medic. Welcome to the channel. Today is a Tuesday, and many comments below have mentioned that Tuesday KFC has $10 bucket of chicken. I'm like, okay, let's give it a try. $10? How can you beat that? Okay, we're back. So, I found a KFC over on Sahara in Arville. Now, that is not the closest KFC, but it is the most convenient KFC. Straight up paradise, left on Sahara, and then it's right there. You know, very easy to get to. So when I got there, it was dark, and I walked in, and the place was pretty empty. It was closing in 20 minutes. And so I was like, hey, let me put in my order. And then when I did, the guy who was like doing the orders asked another employee, said, hey, can you ask the customer if he's okay with all extra crispy? Because I ordered half original, half extra crispy. Because I want to try them both. Turns out they were out of original. Nothing they can do about it, so I took all extra crispy, right? And then so I got my chicken, and then on my way home, the whole car smelled like KFC. I should have tied a knot in the bag. So here we have bucket of chicken. All right. Oh, that's why it smells like it. The chicken bucket got 4 holes on it. All right, there we go. It's finger licking good. That's what it says here. Don't you be saying that I'm, saying things. It's actually what it is. Raised U.S. farms, USDA inspected, prepared by cooks. I mean, like, isn't that everything? All right. Have you tried the sides, this rewards program, and of course, Colonel Sanders, right? Who over the many years I have read that and have seen on social media that this colonel was never a part of any military. He could have been a colonel, like he could have worked making chicken, feed the troops. All right, now the offer is for either 8 tenders or drumsticks and thighs, right? Now, if you watch my channel, you know me. I'm a breast man. Those succulent breasts, oh, so good, guys. Not really a fan of leg and thighs, right? Which is why I don't go to Jollibee. Because I went there, they have no breast. Don't know why. It's not like they ran out. They just told it to my face. Danny the Medic, there's no breast here. I'm just like, what on earth is going on? So let's give this a try. Get my gloves here. All right. First, a leg. Eating chicken legs reminds me of school, because schools will always have, when you were a kid, schools will always have chicken legs, no breasts for some reason. It's nice, guys. It's not crispy anymore because, there's obviously moisture coming from the chicken, and it made all the chicken a bit flexible. Instead of, it's all like, It is super moist inside. It's not dry at all. Oops. Got all over my face. Do I have any napkins? Oh my goodness. In my hurry, I forgot to get napkins. I used the back of the glove. There. Well, funny thing about the back of the glove. When I used to be on the ambulance, right, I would write notes on the back of the glove. I have like a pen right here, and I just write it on the back of the glove, or write it on the palm of the glove, whichever. It's a convenient place to write. And sometimes, you know, during my, after you bring the patient to the hospital, and then they took the patient, you gotta fill out the paperwork, right? Then I go like this, where's the glove? Threw it in the trash, guys. Wasn't anything important anyway. All right. So that was a drumstick. I should have 4 drumsticks. That's 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we got a thigh. I prefer thighs a lot more than drumsticks, but I like breasts the most. Here we go, let's give the thigh a try. Extra crispy. More crispy than the other one. Just like eating a bag of chips. Very crispy. I'm getting like chicken all over my face. Where the heck did I put those napkins? Son of a... Oh! Ha! And now we got through the skin and the crunchiness. Have some of this. Wow. Very moist, guys. It's almost like eating seafood. It's very moist. Sometimes chicken gets so moist, it's not like chicken, you know? So I understand KFC is pressure cooked, which keeps the moisture inside maybe. Oh, it fell. It is very hot inside. So I'm thinking, this chicken would be good enough for 4 people. Yeah, each one get a drumstick and a thigh. Any more than that would be too much fried chicken. Crispy. Very hot inside, very fresh. Now I wish I had something to drink. Got my free coffee from downstairs. And there you have it, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Now what I'm gonna do with the rest of these is that I would like to eat that with white rice. I don't have any white rice, but if I did, I would get a nice bowl of white rice, take the chicken, use my hands, break it into little pieces with no bones, just throw it on top of the rice and eat it like that. Well, hey, thank you for joining me for the $10 Tuesday bucket of chicken from KFC over at Decatur and Arville and Sahara here in Las Vegas. New Vegas video every Friday.